I have been with Tattvik for nearly 2 years now, and Tattvik being the strategic partner and now have been evolved into the agentic AI space. I've seen the graph from being a true strategic partners for all our clients, and now gathering all the business insights and being in the space of agentic AI, which is really fascinating to watch in the 2 years journey with Tattvik. Oh, so one of the movements which had stood out the most was working with one of the enterprise accounts from the Bombay location, because I comes from the remote location and have been working in the co-working space at Mumbai. With one of the enterprise clients, we have worked with them in migrating their one of the platforms to GA4, which stood out the one of the greatest milestone in my portfolio, and had been a great experience in learning the curve for the business and creating the business impact for the client. Culture at Tattvik is very open, and I would like to add in here that HR team and overall the Ahmedabad office really involves our remote location, employees in any of the activities that comes in. So, be it any festivities happening at the Ahmedabad office, they make sure that our remote location folks are also joined in virtually and be the part of and celebrating things. So, thanks for this great question. And leaders at Tattvik have been a great, support for me, because starting my career and coming from business transformation team from one of the greatest organization in the past, and coming into the MarTech department overall and in the field of MarTech. From day one, they have inculcated with all the frameworks that were executed and have been developed at Tattvik, and learning all the frameworks with the Tattvik account management playbook had made me realize and made me put those into the work that I'm doing right now for all of my clients. So always having the support from the leaders is a great thing that any of the employee would look for. So I have been blessed to have leaders and team supporting each other. Life at Tattvik is very flexible. Here it's open. It's a culture where you can be flexible and share your ideas, which will be appreciated more. And I would definitely give a shout out to all of the leaders and all the team members who works, because from day one, everyone had welcomed me with things that would help me build a great career in Tattvik. So it has been a great journey so far. Best moment till now would be this annual offsite. That is the first thing that happened with me in my 2 years journey, as well as client portfolios that have been with me and doing great jobs with all of my other team members and collaboratively giving the best of the outcomes to the client has been a great thing.